Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, 10 English version. How are you? I hope you are well. I am Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Today is, dear students, today is chapter 4. Okay, chapter 4 Bioenergetics and chapter 4 lecture 1. Chapter 4 lecture 1. Here one creative question, important creative question. Okay, so you saw the question. P plus water, arrow, Q green pigment, A plus water plus R. Okay, here first question is, what is photophosphorylation? What is photophosphorylation? You know, ATP is formed by the addition of an inorganic phosphate with ADP in the light dependent phase of photosynthesis. The process of the formation of ATP is called photophosphorylation. This is the reaction ADP plus PI form ATP. Okay, this reaction is called photophosphorylation. Okay everyone. Then the question B, explain why reduce the rate of photosynthesis process at after the noon. Okay, the rate of photosynthesis process reduce. Why reduce? Photosynthesis is a physiological process through which green plants produce carbohydrate type food by using sunlight, CO2, water and chlorophyll. Okay, these are four essential elements. First one, sunlight, chlorophyll, CO2 and H2O, water. Okay, in daylight or in presence of sufficient light, the rate of photosynthesis becomes high. After the noon, the intensity of sunlight is decreases. Okay, after the noon, the intensity of sunlight is decreases. So that's why the rate of photosynthesis process is reduced after the noon. Okay, number C, how A is manufactured through the above process in the stem during at night. During at night, here A is glucose. Okay, you know, here A is glucose, that means carbohydrate substance. During at night, so carbohydrate production, and you will write here C3 cycle. Okay. The reaction of photosynthesis process is shown in the stem in which A is carbohydrate. Okay, here A is carbohydrate, C6H12O6. Okay, here A is carbohydrate. At night, light dependent phase or dark phase of photosynthesis is occurred. Okay, no light is directly required in the light independent phase, although the process can be carried out in presence of light. In this phase, carbohydrates are produced by the reduction of CO2 with the help of ATP and NADPH by pH2. Okay, that was produced in the light phase. In light phase, here ATP and NADPH2. Okay, in light phase, ATP and NADPH2 is produced. That was produced in the light phase. Atmospheric CO2 enters the cell through the stomata of the leaves. Okay, here the figure is ribulose 1,5 diphosphate. First one, ribulose 1,5 diphosphate. Okay, and enters here CO2 through stomata and produce keto acid. Okay, keto acid. Keto acid, it is a unstable, unstable 6 carbon compound, okay, that is known as keto acid. Immediately this unstable compound is broken down and 2 molecule of 3 phosphoglyceric acid, broken down and 3 phosphoglyceric acid, 3 phosphoglyceric acid is formed, okay. 3 phosphoglyceric acid, 3 phosphoglyceric acid, and for this why, okay, this cycle is known as C3 pathway, okay, C3 cycle or C3 pathway. Using the light phases, here light phases ATP and NADPH2 here produce, okay, two product, 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde, 3 phosphoglycerol, 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde, okay, 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde plus plus dihydroxyacetone phosphate, acetone phosphate, PHATE, acetone phosphate. দেখো হেয়ার আলোক পর্যায়ে উৎপন্ন এটিপি এবং NADPH2 and 3 phosphoglyceric acid, okay, and converted to product 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde plus dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Here one side glucose is produced, glucose, okay, here one side glucose is produced, ঠিক আছে, and another side again, and another side ribulose 1,5 diphosphate is produced, okay, and in this figure one leaf shape structure, okay, you will get a one leaf shape structure, and this figure known as C3 cycle or C3 pathway, okay. So this is the figure. First one, CO2 enters into through stomata into leaf, and ribulose 1,5 diphosphate converted into 6 carbon compound, and this is unstable keto acid, okay, and keto acid breakdowns. Immediately this unstable compound is broken down and 2 molecule of 3 phosphoglyceric acid are formed, okay. So as the first stable substance produced in this cycle 3 carbon compound, this is 3 carbon compound, 3 carbon compound, so this cycle known as C3 cycle, okay, 3 phosphoglyceric acid, the cycle is called C3 pathway. Using ATP and NADPH2 produced in the light phase, 3 phosphoglyceric acid is transferred into 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate, okay, dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Through many different consecutive chemical reaction, carbohydrates are produced in one way, and in another way carbohydrate produced one way, okay, and another way ribulose 1,5 diphosphate diphosphate continues to be formed. Resynthesize ribulose 1,5 diphosphate mixing with a molecule of carbon dioxide enters Calvin cycle. So during the formation of 1 molecule of glucose from 6 molecule of CO2, the Calvin cycle will circulate for how many times? 6 times. Okay. Formatted how many times? 6 times. Then number D, in living world, the above metabolic process in the stem is dependable on Q. Here Q, logically analysis it with your opinion. Okay. Name of, what is the name of the above reaction? The name of the above reaction is photosynthesis. Okay. Photosynthesis process is shown in the stem in which Q indicates sunlight. Here Q means sunlight. Light is one of the important element of photosynthesis process. In this process, solar energy is transformed into chemical energy. You know that in the process of photosynthesis, solar energy transformed into chemical energy. The full reaction is here 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O. Here sunlight or light, sunlight, and here chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll. So glucose C6H12O6 plus 6 molecule water plus 6 oxygen. Okay, so this is the full reaction of photosynthesis. Okay, 6 CO2, 12 H2O, sunlight, chlorophyll, here carbohydrate, water, and oxygen. The importance of light in photosynthesis is immense. For the production of carbohydrate from CO2 and H2O, the source of required energy is light. Sunlight also take part in the development of chlorophyll. Okay, with sunlight and when stomata are open, CO2 can enter the leaves. Here, CO2 can enter the leaves and takes part in the production of food, but only a small proportion of the light falling on the leaf is used in photosynthesis. Red, blue, orange, and purple portions of the visible spectrum functions better than the green and yellow in the process of photosynthesis. You know, green and yellow light, no photosynthesis, or photosynthesis is not so good. Okay, the rate of photosynthesis increase with the increase of light up to a definite limited. You know what is the limited? If the amount of light increase too much, enzymes disintegrated and cause the production of chlorophyll to reduce. Consequently, the rate of photosynthesis also decreases. Okay, photosynthesis generally is carried out well with light of wavelength, okay, between 400 to 480 nanometer and 600 nanometer. Okay, 400 to 480 and 680 nanometer. So the metabolic process or the photosynthesis process shown in the stem is dependable on Q, that is sunlight. Okay, this question is Dhaka Board 2019. This question is very, very important for you. Okay, then some A and B question. Okay, what is respiration? First question is, what is respiration? Okay, what is respiration? One known question. Okay, what is respiration? What is respiration? Respiration is the process of inhaling oxygen with which digested food substance in the body cell are oxidized. Okay, convert the potential energy into usable energy. Okay, that means kinetic energy, and eliminate carbon dioxide is called respiration. Okay, Then which organs, which organe of the cell is called powerhouse and why? This is the number of 2. Okay, 2 nong question. Which organ of the cell is called powerhouse and why? Okay, powerhouse and why? This is mitochondria is called the powerhouse of a cell because glycolysis, the Krebs cycle and electron transportation, that means ETS, okay, all occur in mitochondria. That is, all the process of energy production take place in mitochondria. Okay, all the process of energy production. With the energy produced by mitochondria, organism performs their all physiological and biological activities. So mitochondria is called the powerhouse of cell. Okay. And number 3, what is the full form of AMP? AMP. This is the question of 1. Okay. AMP, full meaning, the full form of AMP is adenosine monophosphate. Okay, this is adenosine monophosphate. Full form of AMP is adenosine monophosphate. Number 4, why motha grass or sugarcane, okay, is called C4 plant. This is the question for number 2 question. Okay, why motha grass is called C4 plant? Motha grass or oblique sugarcane. Okay, motha grass oblique sugarcane is called C4 plant because at the same time both the Hatch and Slack cycle and Calvin cycle are carried out. Hatch and Slack cycle is the alter name of C4 cycle. Okay, and Calvin cycle alter the name of C3 cycle. The first stable substance formed in the pathway is 4-carbon oxaloacetic acid. Okay, the rate of photosynthesis in C4 plant is higher than that of in C3 plants. And in motha grass and sugarcane, we can found 4-carbon oxaloacetic acid. Okay, and that's why motha grass and sugarcane is called C4 plant. Okay, then go to what is bioenergy? 5 nong question. What is bioenergy? Okay, what is bioenergy? 1 nong question. What is bioenergy? The green plants by transforming solar energy. Green plants by transforming solar energy through the process of photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis capture the chemical energy first in the organic compound named ATP and NADPH2. These are called bioenergy. Okay, ATP and NADPH2 is called bioenergy. Okay. So these are the questions from today. টিল দেন আল্লাহ হাফেজ। কামরুন নাহার ম্যাডাম।